What's up guys, it's Rob from TMP. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the TBar tilt kit on this Minn Kota Endura. The TBar tilt kit is responsible for tilting your Minn Kota Endura in and out of the water. The kit consists of 4 parts, including the TBar spring, the tilt lever, and the tilt lever pin. These parts take on a lot of stress, so we see a lot of these break from both impact and normal wear and tear. It's a pretty quick and easy fix, and I'm going to show you how to replace it step by step on this Minn Kota Endura.
First, we're going to tilt the bracket into the stowed position, giving us access to the tilt pin. Next, we can drive the tilt pin out using a small punch or screwdriver. The pin is knurled on one side, so make sure to drive the pin out from the opposite side. Once the pin is removed, we can go on to the next step. It's kind of hard to see what's going on inside the bracket, but this is how the T-bar locks into the tilt lever. You'll start by prying up on the T-bar. There will be some tension from the spring, so you may need to use a flathead screwdriver to give you some leverage. Once the T-bar is high enough, you can slide the tilt lever through the groove and then remove the T-bar and spring. Now that the old parts are out, we can reinstall the new tilt kit. If you look at the T-bar, you'll notice that it's angled on the side that locks into the bracket. Make sure that the shorter side is facing the shaft of the motor. You'll know later if you put it in backwards because it'll be rubbing on the teeth when you tilt the bracket. So now we can put the spring on the T-bar and slide it up through the hole. Next, you can push up on the T-bar, giving you space to slide the tilt lever onto the T-bar. Make sure that the T-bar is locked into the groove on the hinge. Once that's all in place, you can line everything up and reinstall your pin. Make sure you're driving it in from the knurled side. And once you do that, go ahead and test to make sure the tilt lever is pulling on the T-bar and everything is locking in properly.
So that covers it for the T-bar tilt kit replacement. If you guys need to pick one of these up, I'll have a link down in the description below. Also, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a like and subscribe. And as always, keep trolling.